One of the types of injuries that we handle at the Sinas Dramis law firm are traumatic amputations. Typically, these come up in motor vehicle accident situations. And these cases are very difficult. Obviously, the patient has incurred a great loss. And it's real important for the lawyer to have sensitivity and understanding about amputation and the consequences. And we typically get involved in assisting the amputee in pursuing a liability claim against the at-fault driver if there is one. But I'm finding that we're providing many services now to amputees who are fighting with their own insurance companies about getting their prosthetic limbs paid for. This is an increasing problem in the Michigan no-fault system. Our no-fault system requires insurance companies to pay for all reasonable charges for reasonably necessary products, services, and accommodations for an injured person's care, recovery, or rehabilitation. Well, that's a broad benefit, but it's not very specific. And the cost of prosthetics varies dramatically. Just like you can have an inexpensive car and a very expensive car. And in the field of prosthetics, technological innovations are occurring annually. And so if an amputee wants to receive a prosthetic device that is very sophisticated and is on the cutting edge of technology, those devices are going to cost a lot of money. And as a result, insurance companies are disputing paying for those high-end prosthetics because the charge is not, quote, reasonable, unquote. In other words, insurance companies sometimes take the position, if you can buy a prosthetic limb for $10,000, why should we pay $20,000? And that is resulting in a lot of amputees not getting full payment for the prosthetic devices that they need. And so we've become involved in a number of cases where we have had to take legal action against insurance companies who are not paying the full charge. We also have actually represented prosthetics clinics who have not been fully paid by insurance companies regarding the devices that they are manufacturing for their patients. Serving amputees is an area that is very important and it's gratifying. It requires some sophistication, and these folks, these patients really need to be empowered with a good sense of what rights they have under the no-fault system so that they can make sure that they are getting all of the resources that they need to deal with their amputation.